Okay, this video looks at atom economy. And before we get into the calculation part of this, let's just remind ourselves of the definition. So atom economy is a measure of the number of atoms in the reactants that are turned into useful products. So how many atoms are turned into a useful product in a reaction. This is the equation that we use. So the atom economy is equal to, we can find the relative formula mass of our useful product, and then we find the relative formula mass of all our products, and then we multiply it by 100 to make it a percentage. Okay, so we're going to use that to help us solve this question here. This question says, can we calculate the atom economy for the extraction of iron? So because we're trying to extract iron, this is the useful product. This is what we want to make in this reaction. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to find the mass of the useful product. So in order to do that, let's write that down, mass of useful product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the equation first, and I can see that we've got two lots of Fe. So I've got two lots of Fe that's formed. I then go to the periodic table, I find the relative atomic mass of iron, Fe, and that tells me it's 56. So I've got two lots of 56, which is 112. So the mass of the desired product is 112. What I'm then going to do is work out the mass of all the products. So I've already done this one. I'm going to concentrate on this one. So here I'm going to work out the mass of the carbon dioxide. To do that, let's look at the formula. So I've got 1 times carbon. Carbon relative atomic mass from the periodic table is 12. So it's 1 times 12 is 12. I've got two lots of oxygen. So it's 2 times oxygen, which is 2 times 16, which is 32. Then add these up, that gives me 44. Got to remember though, if we go back to the equation, there are 3 moles of this. I've only worked it out for 1. So what I'm going to then do, I'm just going to remind myself, but there are 3 moles. So I've got 3 times 44, which is going to give me an answer of 132. Now I'm ready because I've worked out my two masses that I need. So I'm going to go back to my equation now, and I can say that the atom economy is going to equal the total mass of the useful product, our desired product, which is 112, and then I divide by the total mass of all my products, which is 112 plus the carbon dioxide, which is 132, and then I must remember to put brackets on that. I must remember to times that by 100% to make it a percentage, and work that out on your calculator, and that should give you an answer of 45.9%. Okay, so what this means is of all the mass involved, 45.9% ends up in my desired useful product. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.